So guys, in this video I will be doing an unboxing of the Compare SkinEnergy Beauty Device. Now guys, I've always wanted to try one of these devices because y'all know that I'm like a natural skin type person. I don't know if that is even a thing, but I prefer wearing my natural face like 99.9% of the time, even though I do like to put on makeup and get all dolled up every once in a while for a special occasion. But I feel at peace and my best when I'm barefaced, I guess. So I've always wanted to test out one of these because I want my skin to feel and look better. So I cannot wait to try this. I'll be doing a 28-day trial, so stick over there. I'll be documenting my process through the 28 days, showing y'all before and after photos. So definitely stick around for that in my next upcoming video to come, where I show you how to use this. So guys, the Compare SkinEnergy Beauty Device offers you 4-in-1 function. It allows you to charge your skin anywhere, anytime. Eye care mode. It is compatible to smartphone app which connects directly to your phone. It provides mass vibration import, LED therapy, eat, setting, and men's function. You have MMFP plus ENI and EMS function. So this device is amazing. But enough of me rambling. This can also be connected to your phone, guys. So let's go. Oh, it also comes with this little moisturizer. But let's unbox it and see what all comes with it. Ooh, excuse me. So we have the instruction manuals and the device care and stuff. So this is just instruction manual, device care, guide to starting the device and all that good stuff that comes in this little packet, so you don't gotta worry about using it. And then we have the star of the show, this cute, super cute device. It is so cute, guys. I love it. And you just push here to start it and all that. The lid has an eating option, but it does feel so good already on my skin. And this is a USB port to charge it. So let's see what else comes with the box. Oh, you get a dust bag, which is really convenient. That's nice, super cute, and it's long enough where it can fit both the device and the USB card. So that is super convenient. And what else comes in the box is this USB card. So this is really long. Get this off. So it's a nice length. It's got a nice length to it, and you just plug it in here, and you can of course plug it in whatever USB port, maybe a desktop charger port, I don't know, whatever USB card, maybe in your car, you can plug it in. And as I said, it does get in the bag with the I'll try to hurry, guys. So it does fit in the bag with the charging port, with the USB port. Oh, really cute. I like it. And now for this moisturizer that comes with it. Ooh, I love the design, by the way. So cute. And drip, drip. It's cool. Oh, this way. So it doesn't have a harsh scent. It actually smells like a refreshing moisturizer, or like any other moisturizer, and that's all that comes with the box, guys. But as I said before, I'm gonna be using it for the next 28 days, so, and I'm gonna be documenting that, so I'll give you guys an update in the next coming month, so next month. And yeah, that's it. um yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Love y'all. Have a blessed day.